Looking for the ultimate relaxation after a long day? Say hello to the AGARO Regency Manual Foot Spa Bath Massager. This incredible device brings the luxury of a spa directly to your home, ensuring your feet get the care and comfort they deserve. The AGARO Regency Foot Spa is designed with a range of features to offer a professional spa experience. It comes with 12 massage rollers to stimulate pressure points on your feet, providing a soothing and therapeutic massage. Whether you've been on your feet all day or just want to unwind, this device has you covered. Enjoy the benefits of the heating function that helps improve blood circulation, relieves pain, and soothes tired feet. The adjustable temperature control lets you customize the heat level to your comfort, ensuring a relaxing and rejuvenating experience every time. This foot spa isn't just about comfort, it's about convenience too. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to use and store, while the manual rollers allow you to control the intensity of your massage for a personalized experience. Imagine soaking your feet in warm water, enjoying the gentle massage of the rollers, and feeling your stress melt away. With the AGARO Regency Foot Spa, you can turn your home into a tranquil spa retreat. It's perfect for relieving foot fatigue after long hours of standing or walking, easing pain from sore muscles or plantar fasciitis, enhancing relaxation, and promoting better sleep. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, the AGARO Regency Foot Spa is an excellent choice for anyone seeking comfort and care. So why wait? Take the first step towards relaxation and pamper your feet with the AGARO Regency Manual Foot Spa Bath Massager. Your feet will thank you.